Are you starting an extraction case with Invisalign? Congratulations, but you may be faced with challenges during the treatment. I was there too. But before you start the extraction case, please watch this video or you may be in trouble. I will show you an excellent example of how you can mess up the extraction case with Invisalign. This patient was transferred to me after 2 years of Invisalign treatment in Guam. The first clean check setup was like this, and it was done by previous orthodontist. It looks okay, but can you imagine what happened after 2 years? This picture was taken when I first saw her. It is very different from the treatment goal, as shown in the upper picture. What problems can you see? Can you see the bowing effect, especially in the lower? There is a posterior open bite, and lower premolar, second premolar, and first molar were tipped medially, and lower canine was tipped distally quite significantly. So, number one enemy with Invisalign treatment is a bowing effect. And how can you prevent it? It is by overcorrecting or over-engineering the final tooth position. Let me show you how to do that. Let's look at another case. And upper right second premolar was planned for extraction. How would you set up this first premolar, canine, and first molar? Here is the key. It is very important to set up the teeth to a position to overcome the bowing effect. Because the second premolar will tip majorly if you don't overcorrect, we set the second premolar to tip distally. We don't want the second premolar to tip distally clinically, but we have to set up like that to prevent major tipping. This is the overcorrection. So let's check the clean check setup. Okay. And let's find out how teeth actually moved. So second premolar extraction space is getting smaller, and also posterior open bite is improving, and occlusion gets better and better. The same is with the occlusal view. Not bad, right?